Hello people, hope you all are doing great and enjoyed my previous video, and if you haven't watched my previous video yet, then surely go and watch the video. The link of the video is in the description, and also this video is going to be a little long, so do watch it to the end if you don't want to miss any important point. So without wasting any more time, let's get into this video. Talking about eligibility, anyone can join this course with a 10th pass, 12th pass or a graduator, or you are in your 30s, 40s or any age. This is a course for anyone around the world. The certificate of these courses is highly acknowledged in the job interviews. Simple meaning, it gives a plus point to your CV for a certain job. These courses are taught by videos which you can see anytime you are available. There are 100 plus courses available in Google Garage, but I have shortlisted some of the courses which I personally feel can be good according to the interest. Number 1 is Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. Whoever of you are interested in digital marketing can grab this opportunity to learn many things like how to build a digital presence, sell to customers online. You will learn the business strategies, the analytics, the data insights, display advertising, and many more useful things. Number 2 is Communicate Your Ideas Through Storytelling and Design. In this, you'll be able to learn communication skills and you'll be able to develop the ability to create unique ideas for promoting a certain business. Number 3 is Speaking in Public. A lot of people face this basic problem in the day-to-day life. This course highlights on improving your body language and the ways of preparation to enhance your self-confidence. Number 4, Fundamental of Graphic Design. Are you interested in graphic design? Then seize this opportunity to learn the fundamental principles, that is image making, typography, composition, working with color, and many more. This course provides you with all the information you want for graphic design, like investigating the visual representation through a range of image making tools, like developing your career plans. This course will help everyone who is finding difficulty to choose a career path. This course will help you to identify your strengths and achievements. You will be able to identify your target profession. Number 6. Build your online business. Do you have the potential to start your online business and urging it from a long time ago, but you don't know exactly how to do it? Then this course is here to help you out. You will learn here how to sell a product or a service, how to increase your sales by many factors such as logo and many things. Number 7. Start a CV. Don't many of you don't know how to make a CV. This course will surely help you and to know the importance of a resume and how to create it by template. Number 8. Elements of Artificial Intelligence. Many of you may have heard this term but don't know exactly what it does. This course helps you to demonstrate artificial intelligence. It enables you to understand what is possible and what isn't, and to recognize how AI is affecting our lives and understand the major implications of AI. I will provide the link of the Google Digital in the description. You can click on the link to see the courses you are interested in. For example, if I am interested in digital marketing, I will see the course details and start the course. Then you will have to fill your personal details to register. Add it to your learning course. Start the course, then you will get a video from YouTube, watch it. And if you think you are prepared for the module test, you can give it to check the rate of your progress. And at last, when you complete all the modules, you will have to give an online test. After that, you will be given a certificate in your Gmail. So that's it for today's video. Make your quarantine productive by enrolling to the courses, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also share this information with your loved ones. Okay, bye.